Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about writing evaluative statements and connection statements. That's the last part of your annotated bibliography summary. Now, the evaluative stage is you determining if the writing was good, if it was helpful, if it was too busy or too much content, or just enough content or organized well because it used contrasting points, or if it was organized well because subheadings were extremely helpful to digest the 30 pages of information. You are the person who's the expert at this point. You are looking at an article and determining if the writer did a good job in communicating this information based on what you need the article for, right? So in this part, you have to speak with authority. You have to trust yourself. You have to give honest feedback on why you feel this particular article helps you to solve your problem or explain your topic better. That's all you're doing. Now, in the real world, we give evaluations on a star rating, right? So we may say that the new Jordans are, only 1 star. They're not as good as the first Jordans or the Jordan 1s, which you may consider as a 5-star product. And you would have reasons for why these particular shoes are not quite as good as the first model. And you would give the details about those shoes in order to prove your point. But in the real world, you can say something is 1 star, 5 star. For academic writing, you can't because it's too informal. Instead, you will want to use keywords that your academic audience will understand. Like if you're saying that the article was excellent, then you would need to qualify what you mean by excellent. It was excellent because it was laid out well. It was written in a way that the average person could access it. Or it offered excellent statistics and tables that made all of the data easier to understand. You want to make sure that you're communicating the details in a way that demonstrates that you've read the article, or at least you've looked at it in an evaluative sort of way, and that you're able to communicate some ideas about the article, just in case your audience is considering reading the article themselves. It also reminds you about the limitations and also the celebratory ideas of the article itself. When you talk about your personal connection, or maybe not your personal connection, but your connection for the article as it relates to your topic, then you want to make sure that you're communicating information about your topic that's relevant to the article. It seems pretty easy and straightforward. There's not a lot to explain here. The main thing that you want to make sure that you're clear that this particular article fits into your topic in said way, because of X and Y and Z. Once you explain it and evaluate it, you've done your job. That's it. And after that, you'll do a quick proofread just to make sure that everything is good. And once you do that, you're ready to submit it. And guess who's ready to read it? I'll see you on the next video.